Assalamualaikum. My name is NABILAH binti Muhammad RADZUAAN with matrix number CE210167. So today I'm going to present about the introduction for Lab 9. So basically, an oscilloscope is a device that displays the waveform of an electronic signal and let you see how voltage change over time. It is commonly used to measure alternating current voltage in an alternating current circuit. Voltage signals will be tested and displayed as sine waveforms, which are visual representation of voltage variation over time. So the signals are plotted on a graph to show how they change. On the other hand, AC voltage is found in an AC power source, which is a device that can supply a variable power and frequency to a load. An alternating current, which is an AC power source, produces alternating electrical current that can be used to power or test a separate piece of equipment by simulating electrical grid disruptions, harmonics, surge, and other events that could cause a device under test to fail. So that's all from me. So I'm going to pass my presentation to the next presenter.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NURUL ISMAHANI with JASWADI and my check number is AE190028. Okay, next. First I will going to present for the activity 1. So this is a circuit for the activity 1 where here we have V sign for the AC voltage. This is resistor we set at 100 and this is potential resistor we set as at 1000 ohm. So this is our oscilloscope. So when we run, this is the result we get for the for our circuit. So next, okay, here the result here we get for the VR1. We get for the VP 29.2 volt and period 0.025 and VRMS 10.32 volt and frequency at 50 Hz. And next is for the VR1 second for the potentiometer, potential resistor. So here VP is 40.6 volt and period 0.025 VRMS 10.32 volt and frequency 50 Hz. And this is the graph for the VAC, which is V supply, and our V peak to V peak is 14.6 volt multiplied by 2 equals to 29.2 volt. So our period is 0.025 and for VRMS we need to calculate use the formula which is V equals to Z2. So here 40.6 over Z2 equals to 10.32 and the frequency we get is 50 Hz. So that's all from me for the activity 1. Thank you.
Hello and hi, my name is AMANDAANAK with number matrix AE200029. I will explain activity 2. For activity 2, we need V sign, which is 14.6 VRMS, 50 Hz, and resistor with 100 ohm, and VR1, which is variable resistor, which is 200 ohm. So, and also the oscilloscope. We will run the circuit and we will get the wave, the circuit wave. So this is activity 2 circuit. So we know that the channel A and also the channel B. So this is the result for VR1. So VR1 we get VPK is 7.77 volt, period 0.02, VRMS is 4.83, frequency we use 50 Hz. For VVR1, so this is the result for VVR1. So the VPK is 0.94 volt. The period is also 0.02, and VRMS is 4.66, and frequency is the same with VRR1 is 50 Hz. That's all from me. Thank you.